Hello friends, welcome to Magic Bullet. We all used to clean fruits and vegetables every time before we use them. But are you cleaning them in the right way? Food Safety and Standards Authority of India has come up with some guidelines on how to clean fruits and vegetables. In order to prevent the spread of coronavirus disease, we need to take standard disinfecting and cleaning measures. It is recommended that fruits and vegetables are to be washed properly before consumption. Follow these simple tips to keep your vegetables and fruits clean. Keep the fruits and vegetables in a safer place, especially in a place where there is less chance of getting contaminated. Dip the fruits and vegetables in warm water and pour a few drops of chlorine solution in it. Keep this for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, wash them thoroughly with clean drinking water. Please be noted, don't use any kind of disinfectants or soap solution for cleaning the vegetables and fruits. After a thorough cleaning, keep only whatever you require and the rest should be kept in refrigerator. The food items which are kept outside the refrigerator should be properly covered and try to keep away from flies and other pests. Please don't leave fruits and vegetables outside of the house because it may be get infected with pests and other insects. There may be chance of temperature exposure also if you are keeping your food items outside of the house. Proper hand hygiene should be maintained. Before dealing with fruits and vegetables, you should thoroughly clean your hands with soap solution or either you can use an alcohol-based sanitizer. The sink should be properly cleaned before going to keep the fruits and vegetables and also try to avoid spills. The food waste should be properly disposed or you can either use it as a fertilizer for your kitchen garden. These are some of the proper and hygienic techniques to clean your fruits and vegetables. If you want to add something more, you can mention it in the comment section. If you find this video a helpful one, try to share with your friends and family. And also don't forget to subscribe this channel. Maintain proper hygiene. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Thank you.